Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Hales and I make videos about the books that I'm reading. So I don't think that I've talked about this too much on my channel, but my Kindle has been having some major issues lately. It started like 6 months ago. It would not let me read like outside. And that was the whole appeal because I live in Florida. It's sunny 24/7, 365. And so I couldn't read by the pool, which was really annoying. It would just, for like 10 minutes, it would let me, and then it would, I guess, get too hot, wouldn't go to the next page. And since then, it has just continued to get worse until the other night. I was trying to read in bed and it just gave me a white screen and I had to force restart, and when I turned it on, none of the little buttons were clickable. It was very annoying. So that said, I am replacing it. So we're going to unbox my new Kindle Paperwhite. This is the 12th gen 16 gigabyte in raspberry. I'm super excited for the new Kindle. Not excited to set it all up and get all my books back on it because I have like 1,600 of them. But yeah, we're going to open it up and get it started. So I got my other Kindle in 2021. So it's coming up on 3 years having it. I ordered it for Christmas in 2021 and I didn't actually receive it until like January 12th or something of 22. So we're coming up on 3 years. But I use it all the time. I am always on it. So I knew that it wasn't going to last that long. Like the battery life is supposed to be what, like you get so many weeks of battery life if you read like 30 minutes a day, 3 to 5 times a week or something. And I read on it at least 2, if not 3 hours a day, every day. My Kindle streak until my papa passed was like 150 something days. So it was getting quite the workout. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I think it's slightly bigger. Yeah. Ever so slightly. But I got the raspberry one and it is so cute. Oh my gosh. This, I thought when I picked it up that it felt heavier, but when I'm holding just the device, it feels lighter. It's slimmer. Maybe that's just because this one's in a case, but it does feel, yeah. This screen is a little bit narrower. It's got like, I think this is like 6.9 inches and this is 7. So I'm going to power it on. It already looks crisper. Like the like it's just brighter, crisper, the display. I keep wanting to call it ink, and I get that it's like an e-ink display, but it's not actually ink. It's not glitchy the way the other one is so far. Like when I would turn the other one on, it would kind of pop in and out as it would set up, and it's not doing that at all. And I saw that people had said that they're running a little bit faster, which is awesome. Okay, I had to set it up and I film on my phone, so no, I don't want to make this Kindle kid-friendly. No thanks. My whole library is right there, so that's good. Unfortunately, my pop socket, my clear case will not be here until tomorrow, which is unfortunate, but it's fine. I have somewhere to go tonight, so I will probably have to take the old one, and that's gonna be fun because I never know if it's just gonna stop working. Okay. Goodness. It's giving me all of the like the information. I'm like, I know, but I don't want the font that big. I might not want it that small though. I do want to change the brightness. I need the warmth. I'm sorry. I continue to buy the Paperwhite because of the warming light. So that's my favorite. Yeah, that font is too small. There we go. Okay. Ugh, I love this already though. So I will probably use this in bed tonight, but I don't like holding it without a clear case and a pop socket because it feels delicate. I know that things can take a hit, but I don't want it to. So gonna have to be really easy with it until tomorrow, which, I mean, I'm not throwing my Kindles anywhere, but this is nice. It is a lot faster. It doesn't glitch as much, which is really awesome. If you have a Kindle, you know, even when you like turn the page, it kind of seems clunky and like it doesn't want to. I haven't had that issue with this yet. Everything happens like immediately. With the other Kindle, I would have to wait a couple, like a half second. Not a big deal. Now that I have this one and I am messing with it, I'm like, wow, that's so much faster. I don't think it's all that much faster, but it seems like it right now. But that is it for this video. I will probably make a reel on Instagram tomorrow decorating my Kindle. So I will link that in the description once it's done. I have some idea of what I'm going to do for it, but I'm not completely sure because I have so many stickers just laying around. I have these cute little bookmarks that go with a couple of books that I have that look like hockey game tickets that I might stick in the back. So we'll see. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Gosh, I completely messed up my outro. Bye!